Hello, this is Tom Sillis. I'm the CEO of wetcrow.com. And here's what I'm here to talk about tonight. If you still buy leads as a handyman or as a plumber, electrician, or whatever, house cleaning, you are operating, if you're still buying leads, you're operating in the 1990s because your potential is very limited. Stop scamming yourself and others. If you're posting on Craigslist, you're posting on Facebook groups, you're wasting your time. Nobody goes there looking for stuff. Craigslist is for the scammers to go when they lose their license and they can't go anywhere else. They go post their ads on there. Most customers know that if you go to Craigslist, you're going to get scammed. You know, there are all the dirtbags go there and post. Okay, hope you're not one of them, please. I hope you're not doing that. Okay, now if you're even more stupid to buy leads from Home Advisor, Angels List, and those guys, you're really getting a screw job. I'm going to be honest with you. You're in the 90s and you haven't waken up to what's happening to you. You're getting screwed really royally. Okay, people are going to Wet Crow right now. We have Costco, we have other companies giving us business like Home Depot and others. They're sending the people literally to us. Why? Because we get the job done. We get the job done right away. I'm going to show you. Here's the front of our site. Here's wetcrow.com. Hang on. All right, give me a second. I'm a little slow here today. All right, here's wetcrow.com. Okay. You see all the services we have. Okay, so let's assume you need a handyman, a TV mounting, whatever. Okay, you're gonna click on let's do handyman, or even pressure washing, electricity. We got everything here. Air duct cleaning, personal laundry, carpet cleaning, you name it, we got it. Okay, so let's start with I'm gonna start with handyman. That's a good one. That's always a good one. That's my favorite. All right, now what do? We do a whole bunch of stuff here. Let's look at the services that we have. Here are the services. I'm sorry, I'm going kind of fast. I shouldn't be doing that. I'm guilty as charged. Here's all the services. Mailbox post. Okay, I can show you a whole bunch of hanging curtains. Assemble a swing set in the back of the house. Install mailbox near the street. Install pet door in the house. I mean, all these are standardized items. It doesn't take a genius that you need to go get a quote for to install it. So what I'm trying to tell you, if you're a handyman, look at this, above ground pool. Now, if you can install above ground pool, you can make anywhere from $950 to $1,200. That's a simple install. Now, if you do a fancy install, and I'm going to show you Olympic pools in New Jersey, they install the above ground pools like in ground pools, and they do a nice job. But you're going to pay $20,000 for that. Okay. But if you just want to install a regular above ground pool, here's how you do it: picnic table install. Okay, that's only going to cost $89 to $107. I mean, it takes you an hour and you're done. Okay, this is the kind of thing I'm trying to tell you. So we're going to pick picnic table. I like that one. My favorite. I've used that so many times. Come on, buddy. Come on. I pressed the button. I thought I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, I got it. It's coming. Now, watch what happens. Watch what happens. I want to show how quick this is. See, now the reason why it's taking a while, it's getting the appointments. We got a bunch of appointments here now. As you can see, today's the 9th of September. The earliest I can get you in is the 14th because we have a lack of enough service providers. We need you, like the plague. I mean, we really need you. We need you to join us and help us out because we want to be able to offer same day or next day service, and we can't do that without having enough service providers that are ready to take the job. Look at this. It shows you the picnic table. Shows you what we do. Very simple. Simple thing. It's a very simple task. How hard is it to install a thing? Okay, it tells you what's included. We assemble it. We put it where you want in the backyard. We take out all the garbage and put it where you want us to put it. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to click. I'm going to take any appointment here. I'm going to take I better take the 14th because I need this done right away. 8:30 in the morning, and it's going to be on Thursday morning. Book the appointment. Let's get this done. Boom. Now, if you're a new customer, you're going to register here. Create an account. If you already have an account with us or you register with us, you're gonna go over here and just put your credentials in. You're gonna click log in, and you're done. And here it is. Here's your thing. Here's your item. Here's your item. If it needs to be picked up from Home Depot, we have a $75 pickup charge. You can go and we bring it to you an hour before your appointment. Check out and pay. Click on the checkout and pay button. It's gonna bring up your checkout page. Here's if you need to add. Here's all your total. It's the same thing, $89. If you need to add payment, right here. You go to add new payment method right here. If the customer does, they're going to add their payment method. It's going to come up automatically. The default one, it's going to fill it out here. Here it is. Expires October 23. This is all encrypted, by the way, so there's no risk there. We have it triple encrypted. Okay, you hit the submit button, and you're ready to pay, and you're done. And you watch this. Look how fast it's done. Okay, and this is much faster than on my own computer, obviously, because we were developing it slower. But look at this, it's done. Here's your appointment. Here's your pickup. Here's your appointment, September 14th at 8:30 in the morning. Done. Now, how fast was that? Okay, it took me less than 2 minutes to do that. Okay, it might take an extra couple of minutes if you have to put in a credit card. All right, that's it. This is what people are doing. They're going to Home Depot. Home Depot's telling them to go to our site. They have a kiosk right in their store. Home Depot, Target, Walmart, Costco, they all have kiosks in there that we put in there for them, and they're booking our service, okay? Because we do it much faster, we do it better, we give you an appointment, you select the appointment, it's convenient for you, and it's done, and you're done. That's it. So why would you go anywhere else? Okay, folks, that's it. I've told you everything. If you're a handyman, join wecro.com, come on there, get signed up with us, and start making money the right way, and stop scamming yourself and others. Thank you very much. Have a great night.